Hello happy people and welcome to the Philip Effect. In this short video today I'll be showing you how to format a disc or a DVD or a CD, whatever you call it where you're from. So what we're going to be doing is, first you just need to go to my computer, or if you don't want to go through all of that, you can just open any folder and locate your hard drive. So in this situation it's in this PC. We'll do so from here. So this is the drive. You can see how many gigabytes and all of that. So what we want to do is you want to right click, then you have all of this. This is a CD for Windows. It's a Windows installation disk. Just want to remove that. You click on format, easy, and then you can just leave everything the way they are. It depends on what you want, but I just leave it at default. That's how I do so. And this remains how it is. This remains how it is. And then you click on start. And then you get this notification which says formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. But what we want to do is want to click on OK. So we'll click on that. Then you just wait. And when it's through,